Introducing the Sanford Mixer Grinder SF5913GM. Crafted with a sleek and elegant virgin ABS body, it's powered by a 1200-watt copper motor for unmatched performance. With high-quality stainless steel jars and blades, unbreakable domes, and food-grade silicone gaskets, durability meets safety. Enjoy 3-speed control with pulse, hands-free operations, and overload protection for worry-free use. Its unique cuboid design, sturdy metallic handles, and glowing blue LED knob make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. The Sanford Mixer Grinder, power, elegance, and convenience in every blend.